In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix PC keeps restarting again and again. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, when your PC gets trapped in an infinite loop, booting up for a few seconds, crashing and restarting again and again, it means your system is triggering an immediate safety shutdown. And this happens when the motherboard detects a lethal hardware threshold, like dangerous overheating or a critical corruption loop in your Windows system BIOS. So what you're going to do is you want to firstly force your PC into safe mode. Turn your PC completely off by holding down the physical power button for 5 seconds, then press the power button to turn it on, and the exact second you see the manufacturer logo, which is HP, Dell, or Asus, or the Windows spinning dots, hold the physical power button down again until the PC cuts out. Repeat the cycle 3 times, and on the 4th boot, Windows will realize it is failing and automatically launch the blue Advanced Startup Options repair screen. Navigate using your mouse or arrow keys to troubleshoot advanced options, startup settings, and then restart. And then upon reboot, press the 4 key on your keyboard to select Enable Safe Mode. By default, Windows encounters an error. It instantly restarts so fast that you can't even read the blue screen error code. And disabling this toggle forces the PC to stay open so you can analyze the underlying culprit. So when you're in safe mode, open your Windows search bar and then type in Advanced System Settings, like so, and then go ahead and click on it. Now you're going to see settings as one of the options. So within that, all you got to go ahead and do is look up the startup and recovery header. Now, when you go over to that, all you want to go ahead and do is under the system failure selection layout, uncheck the box next to automatically restart. And yeah, that should definitely help. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.